Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Finance with Avrin. In this video, I want to tell you about the Chime Refer a Friend bonus, as well as a special promotion they have going on with a mystery reward where you can win up to $10,000. I'll give you the odds of winning that amount and the other amounts, the steps and everything right here. Now, the regular $100 bonus is for the referral, so the person with the referral link, and then the actual referred person, the one who uses the referral link and opens the new account and follows all the steps. And I'm going to lay all that out for you, of course, for sure. But the mystery bonus is only for the referrer, so the person with the referral link. However, if you're somebody that's new to Chime and you're the referred person, then after you have your account set up and everything, you'll be able to refer other people and get that $100 like normal, but also the mystery reward. And I'm going to give you the dates and everything. Let's get right into it right here. First, starting with eligibility and sign up. Now, the new person to Chime, the referred, must not have previously opened a Chime checking account. So you have to be new to Chime in order to receive this bonus of $100. Now, obviously the referrer, you're not going to be new to Chime. You already have a Chime account, so that's totally fine. Now, also with eligibility and sign up, the referred person has to use the referral link to sign up for a new checking account. Now, also very important, here's some dates. Let me lay this all out for you. The referred person, the new person to Chime, must use the referral link to sign up for a new Chime checking account. Now, for the regular $100 referral bonus, that's between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2025. That's the standard referral bonus that's been going on. And I'll have a referral link down in the description of this video that you're definitely welcome to use to sign up for your Chime account and receive this $100 bonus. And then that way you can start using your own referral link for other people and receive a $100 bonus, and they'll receive a $100 bonus. This is a great, easy bonus. So thank you to anybody who's used my referral link, and thank you to anybody that's going to use my referral link. Now, that was the date right there for the normal $100 bonus, January 1st, 2025 through December 31st, 2025. Now, for the special mystery reward bonus, the dates for this are between June 17th, 2025 to July 16th, 2025. Now, that's for the special mystery reward bonus up to that $10,000 promotion they have going on. So the referral, the person that's new to Chime, has to sign up for an account between June 17th, 2025 and July 16th, 2025, and then follow the rest of the steps I'm going to tell you about for the referrer to receive the mystery bonus. The referred person will not receive the mystery bonus, but they will receive that $100 bonus if they follow the steps, which we'll get into. Now, in the fine print of this, I search and scour the fine print for you all for sure, because I don't want any hiccups. Don't want anybody to miss out on something because of the fine print, because it's hidden and it's in different areas, some things sometimes. Now, I noticed in the fine print for this mystery bonus, as well as the referral bonus and everything, that it stated void in New York, Florida, Puerto Rico. The placement of that was kind of odd because I noticed it in the mystery reward fine print that also mentioned fine print for their $100 bonus, but I didn't notice it in other fine print for just the regular $100 bonus. So I reached out to customer service and asked, which states are eligible for this $100 refer a friend bonus? And the customer service rep replied, all of them. And I'm showing you the screenshots of the conversation on the screen if you want to check that out, just word for word exactly. I'm just transparent with you all for sure, and I want to reach out and get this information for sure. That's one of the things I do. I research and get this information. But I mentioned in the conversation that, hey, I noticed that there are some states that seem to be restricted that aren't eligible for this bonus. And I asked, specifically, is that for the mystery reward bonus, or is that for the referral bonus, the $100, regular bonus as well? And then the customer service rep stated, well, yeah, those states would not be eligible for the regular $100 referral bonus. And so that was a little bit of a shock to me because, I thought that could have been just for the mystery. I thought that just could have been for the mystery reward and not the other one. So I wanted clarification on that. So I will let you all know, per this conversation, as you see it on the screen with the customer service rep at Chime, that this referral bonus in general is not valid for residents of New York, Florida, or Puerto Rico. That's what it states. Now, if you're a resident in one of those states, if you've done this bonus before and you've received it, just a regular $100 referral bonus, definitely leave a comment down in the description, because it seemed that may not be right. It seemed like the way the placement of that fine print for this right here seemed like that could have just been for the mystery reward. But then it also was in the limitations of some of the regular $100 referral friend bonus section as well, the fine print. So kind of odd, but I definitely want to mention that just to put it on your radar if you're a resident in one of those states, that you may may not be eligible for the regular $100 bonus and the mystery reward, or it could just be the mystery reward. But per that customer service rep, those states right there would not be eligible for the referral bonus in general. So just wanted to let you know about that and show you that on the screen. Now for this section right here, the referral, the person that already has the Chime account, you don't need to do anything but just provide your referral link. For all of this process with the $100 referral bonus and the mystery reward, for step number 1, eligibility and sign up, the only thing you have to do as a referral is just provide your referral link. In this situation right here, I would be the referral. My link is in the description if you want to use that. Now, let's move on to the next step right here. The next step is going to be direct deposits and card activation. Now, this is for the new Chime account holder, the one that clicked on the link to sign up for the new Chime checking account. The referred must receive at least one qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into their new Chime checking account within 45 days of signing up. So that's just one direct deposit, at least $200 or more into your new Chime checking account. Within the Chime app, you see it right there, a little screenshot of it. It's going to give you, of course, your account number and routing number. You could take those numbers and input them with your employer, the intranet, if you do it yourself, or HR, whoever handles that, and input that information and have a certain amount of your check going to your new Chime checking account. You don't have to do the full thing. When I did this initially, I just literally put like $200 going to my Chime checking account, and I have money going to other accounts, so forth. Here's checking there, savings there, retirement, whatever you want to do, have your setup. You don't have to deposit your whole check into your new Chime checking account. You can if you want to. They have great features at Chime like early payday. So typically you're going to get paid up to 2 days earlier than you normally would with direct deposit going in your Chime account. So, that's great. Mainly, you need to have at least $200 or more within 45 days of a qualifying direct deposit in your new Chime checking account. Now, what's a qualifying direct deposit? Got the fine print here, but I've made it on the slideshow, so we're not just zooming in on that fine print. Right here, the qualifying direct deposit is one that comes from your employer, payroll provider, gig economy payer, or benefits payer. So your employer, wherever you work, standard, your payroll provider, if they're the ones who are paying you through your employer, or if your main job or your side hustle, something like DoorDash or Uber, something like that, that's a gig economy payer is what they call them. So your direct deposit could come from there as well. Just make sure it's at least $200 or more. Now, there are some things you could do with a Chime checking account that would not be a qualifying direct deposit. Now, the following would not be a qualifying direct deposit for this promotion: bank ACH transfers, pay anyone transfers, verification or trial deposits from financial institutions, peer-to-peer transfers from services such as PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, mobile check deposits, cash deposits, one-time direct deposits such as tax refunds and other similar transactions, and any deposit to which Chime deems to not be legitimate or not qualifying direct deposits. So many of those things you could do with the Chime checking account, transfer money from Chime to another external bank account, back and forth, and different things like that, but that would not be an eligible direct deposit for this promotion. Now, after you got your direct deposits and everything set up, you got that going, everything good. Another thing you need to do, and this is in the fine print, is that you need to activate your Chime Visa debit card within 14 days of receiving your first qualifying direct deposit. So you'll get a Chime Visa debit card in the mail. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but you need to activate it within 14 days of receiving your first qualifying direct deposit. Now, you can activate it before you receive your qualifying direct deposit. That's just kind of like the timeline of you need to activate it at least by then, per the fine print. Now, that's all for the referred individual that's new to Chime. For the referrer, you don't have to do anything for this step. You're just sitting back and hoping that the person that used your link is following the steps and proceeding as normal, so you both will get your $100 bonus. Now, step number 3. Receiving the referral bonus. The referral rewards will generally be provided within 2 business days after step 2 is complete. $100 is going to be deposited into the referr's Chime checking account, and $100 will be deposited into the referred Chime checking account. So both parties, both individuals will receive $100 in their Chime checking account within 2 business days after everything in step number 2 is complete. This is a quick and simple, easy bonus. You open the account, get that direct deposit of at least $200 or more. So that's a small amount. And then boom, you got that going. You activate your Visa debit card. Within 2 days of those obligations being complete, $100 in both of your accounts. Easy as peasy. Easy as peasy. What is easy as pie? I don't know why I say easy as peasy. But yeah, also very important though. Both Chime checking accounts must be open and in good standing. A positive balance is actually not required for the receiving this bonus. However, it doesn't hurt to have one, because generally you don't want to have a financial account open without a balance for a long period of time, because financial institutions and banks can deem the account as dormant, or some other word that they'll use for it, basically meaning it's just like dead, it's nobody's using it, and just close it out. So you don't want to be in that situation where, you know, you're sending out your referral link or people are using it or something, and you just haven't not used your Chime checking account, you haven't had anything in it in a while, and then you open your account and they're like, your account's closed, you know, something like that. So you definitely want to make sure your account is open and in good standing for the referrer and the refer. So both individuals on both sides of the referral process need to make sure their Chime checking accounts are open and in good standing. Now, taxes. Got to mention this when I'm talking about these bonuses. Got to mention taxes. If you're familiar with the whole bonus process and receiving bonuses and taxes, you know about this part. You can skip ahead a little. We're going to get to the mystery reward in the next section. Now, for credits of $10 or more are going to be reported on the tax form 1099-INT for new members, the referred members, the new members. If a Chime member receives certain monetary rewards that total $600 or more in 1 year, this will be reported on tax form 1099-MISC as required for the Chime member. So, you know, if you're a Chime member, you've been sending out your link, people have been using it, and you've racked up, you know, multiple rewards, $600 or more in 1 calendar year, then you're going to receive that tax form 1099-MISC in the mail. So let's see, if you meet these amounts, you do this, you receive the bonuses in 2025, then sometime in 2026, January, February or so, you'll receive these forms in the mail, and you'll need to report it on your taxes for that previous year. So when you're doing your taxes in 2026, you'll use those forms and whatnot. If you do your taxes yourself, you know where to input this information and what to do with that. You get it. If you get someone else to do your taxes, just take that form to whoever does your taxes along with your other forms that you normally would take to them, and they'll know what to do with that. So yeah, that is step number 3, receiving the referral bonus. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Now that mystery reward of $10 to $10,000. Let's get into some more details about that. So this is for the referrer, the person with the referral link. That's who the mystery bonus is for. So the new person to Chime won't receive a mystery bonus when they sign up with Chime the first time. However, they can use the referral link and get someone to sign up with Chime within that time frame that I showed you in step 1, and then receive a mystery bonus. Even if you're not receiving this, you'll know about it for when you possibly could receive this. Now, for the referrer, the person with the Chime account already that sent out the referral link, you'll receive an email notification once all eligibility requirements are met. So step 1, step 2, once that's complete, you'll receive an email from Chime. And now to obtain the mystery reward bonus, the referrer will need to click on a link that's within that email within 7 days of receiving it. However, if you missed that, your email is cluttered, you missed it somehow, got lost in the abyss of emails. I know for sure mine, I need to really go through my emails and get a handle on that. But yeah, so if you miss it, totally fine. That's okay. Because if the referral does not click on the link within the email, the referral will still receive the mystery bonus. However, it will be within 10 calendar days of when the email was sent. So within 10 calendar days of the email notification. So if you don't do anything, you'll still receive the mystery bonus. So the referral just needs to sit back and hope, of course, that the person that they referred follows the steps, step number 1, step number 2, and then they'll receive the $100 bonus. Both parties will. And of course, with all that going well, the referral will then receive that mystery bonus between $10 and $10,000. Now you see the odds right there on the screen. I have it up on the screen, the fine print of the odds. That's your odds of the amount winning. So most people are going to be winning that $10. That's about 79.89% chance of winning that. Now to win that $10,000, that's a 0.01% chance of winning. So yeah, there's a chance. There's a chance you can win that. A slight minor chance. Now you see the other amounts, 10% chance that you receive $50, 10% chance that you'll receive $100, and a 0.10% chance that you'll receive $1,000. So you're going to at least receive more, than that $100, that standard $100. You'll receive at least $10 on top of that, but it could be an additional $50, $100, $1,000, or $10,000. So yeah, that could be awesome. If you send out your referral link and you get somebody to sign up for you and you receive this mystery bonus and everything, let me know down in the comments, what amount did you win? And I'll let you all know as well. I actually recently just received a $100 bonus for someone using my referral link the other day. So thank you to whoever that was if you somehow see this. But yeah, so I'm not going to get the mystery bonus for that because that was outside of the time frame. However, if I get somebody to use my referral link within this time frame and I receive a mystery bonus, I'll definitely leave a comment down in the description to let you all know what did I win. All right. And so just to wrap up this video, There's some great things about the Chime checking account, honestly, for sure. I mean, I can see why a lot of people do use this account. And actually, Chime just went public on the NASDAQ in the stock market. So they're definitely growing. A lot of people are using Chime. I'm going to tell you about and scroll through their website right here and show you and tell you about some of the awesome benefits with this Chime checking account. There's no monthly service fees, which is great. No minimum balance fees, no overdraft fees. You can get up to $500 of your pay before payday with the My Pay and everything. Now, they have a Spot Me program you may see an email about when you're signing up for the account and everything like that. You don't have to use Spot Me to earn your referral bonus of $100 or to receive your mystery bonus if you're referring somebody. So the whole Spot Me situation, you'll see that you'll probably earn $10 or something from that. You don't have to use any of that. You don't have to sign up for Spot Me or any of that if you don't want to use it. So it's not a requirement with any part of this referral bonus or mystery bonus, but they do have a Spot Me program that you probably see something about once you sign up for the account. So some people may find that useful. Of course, if you do, you can definitely use that. Free overdraft with $200 of Spot Me. They got that going on. Also, you get paid early. Like I was telling you about in the video, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early with direct deposit with your Chime checking account. And of course, it has a Chime Visa debit card where you can use anywhere that Visa is accepted, which is a lot of places. And you can customize your debit card security, different kind of things you can do with that. Setting up daily balance updates, real-time transaction alerts, and so forth and so forth. Also, they have 50,000 fee-free ATMs. You can withdraw cash at various places like Walgreens, 7-Eleven, CVS, and Circle K. And you can deposit cash at any Walgreens location. I've done it myself personally. It works great. It's easy. Taking $100, $200, different amounts to Walgreens. I show them the code on my phone, my Chime app, and I give them the cash and they give me a receipt back. Very easy, simple. The amount of money goes in there like within a day or so. I would check my Chime account and boom, there's the cash that I deposited. So of course that time can vary and everything, but it's been really quick the few times that I've used it. And I see why Chime is growing and a lot of people are using it. A lot of great features with the Chime checking account and of course with their savings account they have going on with there. You can earn a nice rate. I actually did an update video of Chime on my channel. I'll leave a link to it down in the description that talks about some of the new updates with Chime. And like the app is great. I've used the app for sure. Very easy to use, very user friendly, great app available on the Apple and Google Play app stores. And so, yeah, that's what I want to tell you all some things about the Chime checking account. If you're wondering like, okay, yeah, the bonus seems cool, but is the account actually cool? Account is nice. I can see why a lot of people use it. And you may open the account and realize, you know what? I like this account. It's for me. I'm going to use it for this and this, or maybe not for that, but this, whatever. Secondary account, third account, primary account, who knows what it might be for you. You might just want to check it out. And with the referral bonus, you have a limit of 10 that you can do per year. So you can earn up to $1,000 with this standard $100 referral bonus in a year. They have a limit on that of 10 in a year. Just want to let you know about that as well. And that is it with the video on the Chime referral bonus and the mystery reward promotion that they currently have going on. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.